is growing, the fire is growing. The world in chaos, but here we got peace. And we're just starting, we're just starting. We are sisters, we are brothers, sons and daughters and more. And I love you even though I never met you before. We are sisters, we are brothers, sons and daughters and more. And I love you even though I never met you before. I'm on the edge of a human sea, and the tide is in. My eyes are surfing on unfamiliar faces, and still I know them, they're family. You wave at me from across the stadium, what a beautiful sight. I feel refreshed like a newborn baby. If I'm not careful, I'll start to cry. We are sisters, we are brothers, sons and daughters and more. And I love you even though I never met you before. We are sisters, we are brothers, sons and daughters and more. And I love you even though I never met you before. Give me your hand. We're in the same fight. You give me strength to carry on towards eternal life. We are sisters, we are brothers, sons and daughters and more. And I love you even though I never met you before. We are sisters, we are brothers, sons and daughters and more. And I love you even though I never met you before.
Hinay ha, pag hinay. Oo. Pag hinay na.
And I love you even though I never met you before.
Gunit. Dito sa Bikas ka, dito.
You may be contemplating, should I make the move? Prayerfully meditating, Jehovah, what should I do? So let's just take a moment and try to help you decide. 'Cause if you step on over, you'll be so happy you tried. You gotta step on over and leave your worries behind. 'Cause when you step on over, you will be blessed if you try. Oh, step on over. step on over that Macedonia line. The preaching work is amazing, with overwhelming success. You'll be appreciating how strangers give you their best, and you will draw even closer to Jehovah each day, 'cause He will always be there to help you learn every step of the way. You gotta step on over and leave your worries behind, 'cause when you step on over, all the treasures you'll find. Maybe you're thinking it over and wondering if it's right. Oh, you gotta step on over. You'll be blessed if you try. Oh, step on over. Step on over. You gotta step on over that Macedonia line.
A heart full of questions, a life so unsure. I heard what you told me, I wanted more. What you told me, I wanted more. Unanswered questions were answered that day. The worry I was feeling melted away. All my worries faded away. It's a long road we're going down, but faith can make things happen. When there's no way through and no way round, faith can make things happen. Make things happen. I love what I'm learning and share what I know. I'm ready and waiting, so here I go. Yes, I'm ready to share what I know. My faith is like a fire that burns within my heart. I've gotta keep it burning and do my part. Keep it burning deep in my heart. It's a long road we're going down, but this I've not forgotten. When there's no way through and no way round, faith can make things happen. Make things happen. Seen sad days, bad days, bring stormy weather, praying over and over, staying close to Jehovah. He said, if you put your trust in me, I'll give you strength, and then you'll see the trials that came to me. We face them together. It's a long road we're going down, but this I've not forgotten.
choices that I could make, so many pathways that I could take. I know that someday I'll make my vow. How will I know if that time is now? I've seen the blessings that come to those who take their stand for you. This isn't something somebody chose for me, it's something I wanna do. I wanna stand up on my 2 feet. I wanna answer the call. I wanna have your help when I am weak. I wanna give you my all. I wanna give you my all. I wanna know you and be your friend. I want the life that'll never end. I know you're real, it's plain to see. No other God could there be for me. Life's not a party, not just for fun. The journey's just begun. I wanna give you my best while I'm still young, to side with you and your son. I wanna stand up on my 2 feet. I wanna answer the call. I wanna have your help when I am weak. I wanna give you my all. I wanna give you my all. I wanna give you my all. I wanna give you my all.
What should I do? Who should I look to? This could just be harmless, could be respectable. There may be no need for me to reject it all. Oh, what is the right course for me? Which path will it be? What should I do? Take which point of view? It could be excessive with many dangers there. All the kinds of things that could prove to be a snare. Oh, what is the right course for me? Jehovah, give ear to my plea. I keep your reminders and I love them dearly. I'll treasure them every day, monthly, yearly. All the things I have heard in accord with your word, help me understand. I know what's required. I'd better inquire. I don't want to act in a way to cause offense, but it sounds like there likely would be consequence. It's clear what's the right course for me. The key, the guarantee. I keep your reminders and I love them dearly. They strengthen my heart and help me to see clearly all the things I have heard in accord with your word. Help me
like there's something every day, some new test that comes my way, something every day. I never know what it might be, but whatever it might be, I know I have the key. 'Cause I can face it if I'm steady and prepare, so I'll be ready. How to act and what to say when a challenge comes my way. At times it's tough for me out there, and so I turn to God in prayer. I pray I'll pass each test, every one that comes my way. I pray I'll pass each test and be faithful through the day. Some things I know we'll face again, like the pressure to fit in, face it once again. There will be times when other kids do the things that God forbids, the things that God forbids, and pressure me to go along with kids I know I don't belong with. That's the time I call to mind. I don't want to be that kind, 'cause I'm a witness for God's name. So there's no cause to be ashamed. I'm glad I passed the test. I was faithful all day long. I'm glad I passed the test. I'm glad that I was strong.
Since we could crawl, our family started it all. Even though small, we understood what we were learning. Father would read to me before I would sleep. Now I am taller, I still keep up with that routine. And when I'm by myself, I take that book down off the shelf. I remember what the scripture said that I would need so I could stand firm.
Study makes you strong.
Just like a tree that's planted by a river stream.
Study makes you strong.
Your leaves just won't dry out and everything succeeds.
Study makes you strong.
Just like a tree that's planted its roots down deep.
Study makes you strong.
You'll grow so big and tall, there's nothing you won't see. What will I say when a big chance comes my way? What will my classmates say if I don't follow with them? All of the information's here on display. I'm not afraid because I learned this as an infant. 'Cause when I'm by myself, I take that book down off the shelf. I remember what the scripture said that I would need so I can stand firm.
Study makes you strong.
Just like a tree that's planted by a river stream.
Study makes you strong.
Your leaves just won't dry out and everything succeeds.
Study makes you strong.
Just like a tree that's planted its roots down deep.
Study makes you strong.
You'll grow so big and tall, there's nothing you won't see. Every word that's helping
fine, but I'm wondering, who will I marry? What I'm doing right now is deciding not to hurry. This is a choice that could either bring laughter or sorrow, and the feelings that start in a youthful heart, they could be gone tomorrow. Take your time, patience is the key. Just wait and see. Use your head, though your heart may not agree, and think, is this the one for me? Possibly, if you just take your time.
Just take your time
and choose wisely.
Successful. I wanna make sure it's Jehovah's way. Let His word guide me, and I'm willing to wait just to have Him made, living the truth beside me. Take your time, patience is the key. Just wait and see. Time and choose wisely. And choose wisely. Caught up in circles, I don't know which way to turn. My heart moves and my head full. Too late, I've fallen in love. To do what's right is a constant fight. Don't wanna let my heart decide. I want God's word. It's so hard to break free. This desperate heart inside of me makes wrong feel right and a right feel wrong. But Jehovah makes me strong. He says, know that I love you. I don't want to lose you. Trust in me. Our life is shaped by the choice we make. We have to realize what's at stake. Right from the start, it's a war for our heart, but it's ours to give away. To safeguard, it means our life. Looking back, the choice I made to do things Jehovah's way so hard, emotions strong, but Jehovah helped me along.
Life's not easy when trouble's around, and the whole situation is getting you down. So-called friends, they just want a reaction. Turn to Jehovah and pray, silently pray. Don't give up, don't give in. Put your trust in Jehovah. Keep it calm, we can win. If we stop, think and pray. When there seems no way out, He'll be there, always by our side. He will be our guide. Never doubt, no, just stop, think and pray. Make Jehovah smile. Let Him show the way. Every day we'll have troubles to share. There are bills to be paid with no money to spare. Even so, we'll be happy in giving if we can make someone smile. Make someone smile. Never doubt, never fear. Put your trust in Jehovah, and our road will be clear. If we stop, think and pray. When we're weak, we are strong, and we'll see He was by our side. He has been our guide all along. Always stop, think and pray. Make Jehovah smile. Let Him show the way. Stop, think, put your trust, pray in Jehovah, and our road will be clear. If we stop, think and pray. When we're weak, we are strong, and we'll see He was by our side. He has been our guide all along. Always stop, think and pray. Make Jehovah smile. Thank Him every day.
We can tell 100 stories, we can speak a million words, we can paint 1,000 pictures, but will our heart be stirred? We can often make a difference with a kindly word or deed, but sometimes just a smile is all we really need. Just a smile can lift a weary heart. Just a smile can help best, praying you'll succeed. Then you will see a smile is what we need. This world is unforgiving, full of coldness and despair. Many hopes are disappointed by a world that doesn't care. And we see it in their faces as they pass us on the street. So we offer hope and comfort to the people that we meet. Just a smile can lift a weary heart. Just a smile can help us make a start. When you've done your best, praying you'll succeed, then you will see a smile is what we need. At times we feel downhearted when no one seems to care about the hope we offer or the message that we bear. For some hearts are just too hardened to receive the kingdom seed. But could it be a friendly smile is what they really need? Just a smile can lift a weary heart. Just a smile can help us make a start. When you've done your best, praying you'll succeed, then you will see a smile is what we need.
You can walk, but please don't run. It's hard to do when you're having fun, but there's a reason we don't race. When you're with a friend, it's not the time or place. Don't run so fast. Take your time and make things last. Learn to love the things you do. Just don't run fast. You got things you have to do, people to serve who depend on you. But don't forget why you're here. Learn to love the friends, let them know you care. Don't run so fast. Take your time and make things last. Learn to love the things you do. Just don't run fast. You can run to someone's door. Is it someone home? Well, you're not real sure. But look around and see everyone. People walking by, can you talk to one? Don't run so fast. Take your time and make things last. Learn to love the things you do. Just don't
guess you had the best of intentions. Kindness is too numerous to mention, but thoughtless words just cut me to the heart. Then as a tear appears, I see things aren't what they seem to be. Before the sun slips from the sky, let's be sure we both see eye to eye. We'll forget the things we said, and please let's forgive. Sisters today, sisters will stay.
Getting along is not always easy. Angry words can bring you down, believe me. Then you find a reason to forgive, and now you realize it's true. Letting go's the thing to do. Before the sun slips from the sky, let's be sure we both see eye to eye. We'll forget the things we said, and please let's forgive. Brothers today, brothers will stay.
Not one thing said or done can break us up. Love's a bond of unity. Cancel the debt, forgive and forget. That's the way true friendship should be. Before the sun sets from the sky, let's be sure we both see eye to eye. We'll forget the things we said, and please let's forgive.
Here in our hearts,
That's where it starts. Ooh. Bonded in love, forgiving one another.
At times I wish I could see exactly what my future will be, and how my life will turn out, and which road is the right one for me. But one thing's for sure, no matter what comes along, I live for Jehovah, to Him I belong. Of all the people and things my life could be filled with, the best one of all, the best one to build with, is pleasing Jehovah each day with the choices I